Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to stake Solana through your Phantom wallet so that you can get that passive income from Solana. Now, before going into the tutorial, make sure to go solana.com/staking. If you want to see the staking and inflation frequently asked questions here, you will see all the questions and answers that you need for your staking purposes. So let's go to Phantom Wallet. Make sure to install Phantom Wallet. If you haven't, go to phantom.app, click download, and then download this wallet for your Chrome. Now, we already did this, so we go here to our second wallet. We have two wallets right here. You can go to the wallet that you're using. And then what we can do is we can go to Solana here. Click on Solana, and then as you can see, loading, searching for staking, and then as you can see, start earning Solana, stake tokens and earn rewards. We can click on it. Here we'll have to choose a validator. Validator is basically like a company. You can think of it like a company that allows you to stake, and then you can also see the fee that you are going to give them in order for them to allow you to stake your Solana coins. Now, if we scroll down, you will also see lower fees. So let's, for example, go down a little bit. Yeah, you will see 9%, for example. Here was 9, right? So let's say we go with this, right? Staking company or validator in this example. Then we can put the amount. Let's say we put 100 Solana that we want to put on our staking. Now, obviously, I don't have, any balance right now. But here you will see the commission, you will see total stake, and then you will see number of delegators, right? And then obviously this is all the information that you don't need to worry about. But here you can just click stake, and you will be able to stake your Solana for passive income through Phantom Wallet. Now, this is probably the easiest way how to stake Solana for passive income. So if you have any questions regarding this, comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.